Hello Pookies. I am going to play Idle Bird Racing. Let's get in. Here's my burb. What the hell is this? I think I am rich and have too many birds and levels too. Yay, level up. Not this ad again. I hate Temu app. I am buying this because I can get more money to buy biggest birds. Here, let me show you my birds. Hee hee, I like when I do that. Hee hee, I like when I do that. Here, let me show you my birds. I'll share some of my classmate to see my burb. Where is it? Oh, why am I dumb? Here it is. Guys, I have to buy and make 2 roosters, so the part 2 is in my videos. Bye.